we're on our way. So if it's like shaky, it's because I'm holding it while driving. This is what you call not safe. I was filming and driving at the same time, and I'm just should not have done that, because not only was I blurry the entire time in the awkward position that I was in, but I also got lost in my own like neighborhood roads. So it's because all of this construction. No, it's not. It's completely my fault. I just cannot. I should not be allowed to drive. I'm a very good driver. But when it comes to directions, I'm like, freaking no. So anyway, I'm trying to get back to the road, to the hospital, but it's like traffic hour. I'm already late. Oh, this is the story of my life. Basically, to highlight what I was gabbing about while I was having a good time getting lost, is that we're on our way to my first ultrasound. I'm currently 24 weeks, I think. And last week was my first doctor appointment. They couldn't get me into an ultrasound tech, or the tech was like gone or whatever. So I got a referral to go today to hopefully find out the gender. I haven't been able to share my experience with this pregnancy so far, and it was horrible. The first trimester was the worst thing. I say this like I'm talking about it lightheartedly, but I know it's a heavy topic, but I'm pretty sure I had like undiagnosed early pregnancy depression. I don't know, like it was really bad. Every day was just it was just so hard. It was really hard, and the unbelievable amount of throwing up. I think I was throwing up like 2 to 3 times a day. Every food aversion you could think of, I had. I could keep nothing down. It was just, all of it was just awful. And I felt so bad for the girls. Like I like they had to be so patient with me just because like I just couldn't function. And then Ethan, he comes home and I'm just like a complete mess. And bless his heart, like he just, you know, stepped in when he could and where he could. But anyway, it was really bad. Once we got over that hump at about like 13, 14, 15 weeks, things got so much better. I'm just very thankful that that season of this pregnancy is over. I can actually do things, and I'm bigger and more uncomfortable, but at least I'm not like feeling like I'm dying over and over again every day. Okay, I gotta end it here for now because I gotta find out where this entrance is, and I think it's over here. So no ultrasound. I guess there's a false alarm. We're not finding out the gender. Now I'm on my way home for pizza night. Can I just like vent for a second? Because how in the world, why in the world would someone say like, oh yeah, we are scheduled for 3 o'clock. I'm like, great. And then I get a text and log in to like check in, and it says 4:15. So already I'm like confused. I go in and they're like, oh yeah, we thought it was weird too that you didn't have an appointment, but then you had your second appointment still on the counter. I'm like, that's weird for me. Like, if it's weird for you, it should be weird for me, and you should call me and figure it out, because like that was really weird. It's just what are you gonna do but laugh, right? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're just gonna be fine.
이렇게 해요. 이렇게 펼쳐 그 버프 나와.
오, 그리고 뭐 뿌렸어요?
치즈? 치즈? Good.
끝? 토마토 소스는?
네.
네. 헉, 너무 잘 만들었다. Round 2. We're trying it again. We're gonna get a freaking anatomy ultrasound in and it's gonna work. Funny enough, I tried calling yesterday just to double check for my rescheduled appointment. And the same thing happened where there was no ultrasound, but then I had the appointment for the post ultrasound, like doctor debrief type thing. Turns out they had 2 phone numbers on file for me. One, I don't even know who it was, or like I've never heard of the number. So the other person who was receiving my ultrasound was canceling the appointment, and then they were sending the debrief appointment to me. So I was only getting half of the appointments to check in and yada yada. So anyway, it's all resolved. We're heading to the doctor, but I left a little early today because I wanted to get some work time in at a coffee shop.
Okay, here we go.
Let's see. Obviously, I haven't opened it.
Yeah, thank you. Oh.
Hold up, hold up. I want to be in it too. I want to see.
Okay.
Can we see? Are you in it?
Yeah.
Can you see? Oh, okay. Am I in it? I can't be that.
Wait, come over. Yeah. Okay, scooch over. Okay, all right. I think we're in it. It's covered by. Yeah, we're in. Okay. What the F is that?
Oh, I know what
Is
it
that?
is.
Is that a little? The finger? Ew.
I think I know what it is.
It's like girl.
No, it is.
We're having another girl.
Sorry, you
Hey.
lost.
No, it's all right. It's a girl house. It's a girl house, everyone.
Freaking Frank.
The future is female. We're just living in it.
You're a girl dad, Appa. It's official. What are you gonna do? You're
It's
just
just
good.
me and you and her and her and her and her.
So now
So-
Bruce doesn't make sense.
Bruschetta.